don't go, I said. Bad idea, I said. But would you listen? No, don't listen to Batty. Mm-mm. Well, what have we here? Shoes. Animals don't wear shoes. A human!
A tree!
Oh!
Take anything you want. I won't tell the cops. Huh?
Are you all right?
Huh? I'm fine. What is going on here?
The monster, it tried to eat you.
Monster?
My friend and I saved you. Oh, Batty. Batty?
Huh?
Oh, sonic interference. What a nightmare. I thought I saw a human. Ah! Human!
That's a human?
Yes, yes, kill it, restrain it, medicate it, something. Puff up, they hate that.
Get back! Don't worry.
Stop!
I've got it scared.
I have but one claw, but beware.
Will you both just calm down?
He tried to kill you! I did not! You did!
Hold on! The only thing that tried to kill anybody was that horrible monster in the forest.
Monster? What monster?
The one that ate the tree. It was terrible.
Tree? The leveler. Hey, am I dead?
No.
We could fix that for you.
Then I must be dreaming.
Nope.
Oh, sure. And what are you supposed to be? Some kind of fairy?
Of course I am. What about you? Are you really a human?
Last time I checked. Listen, fairy, it's been weird, but I'm out of here. This dream is history.
Check this out. I've a basic inclination, a very primal need to inspect the vegetation for an egg or centipede. I just can't control this hunger. I just can't seem to cut it back on my ravenous consumption. You're a welcome little snack. If I'm gonna eat somebody, it might as well be you. Can you dig it? I could see you as a sandwich or a strange exotic stew. Might as well be you. You know it. Kick it one time. Welcome to the food chain.
No! You can't eat him! He's a human!
What's a human?
Delicious and nutritious. Tastes just like chicken.
Wait!